Phoenix.
Here come Phoenix.
Big boss.
You might want to step back.
Step back.
Just right there. Nope, right there is good.
Don't blow all the dust up on you.
They flying too.
Yeah. You flying through here. Wouldn't be rough.
Go ahead, go get your grandson.
Hi. Come on, Phoenix. What's up, boys? Come on, baby. Hungry, right?
Come on.
Time for me. Thank you. You want to come out drink? Come, big boy.